How to fix a connection is not private in Google Chrome. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix a connection is not private, firstly head over and in the search bar you can search for CMD, that is the command prompt. Now over here you can just tap on enter, after which it should notify you that it has successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Once you do this, now you can restart your Wi-Fi connection to solve this error. Next thing is that if it says your connection is not private, this might be due to a VPN connection. If you use a VPN, make sure to disable it right away. Another thing that you can do is you can just turn off your Wi-Fi connection and you can enable your airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then switch for a better network connection. Then you can also give it a quick restart to your PC. That's it for the video as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.